Hey, it's the FYI guy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a golf mat that shows divoting, shows you your strike mark. As you can see with the angle of the sun here, if you brush this back and then you strike it, you can see how it changes colors. So it will help you in feedback. When you're hitting this, it'll give you some feedback on whether you're striking the ball, front of the ball, behind the ball, making good contact or not. It's best to put it on a small area rug or something. You're going to get better feedback from the shading that's created from this velour or a velvet, but velour it's going to be cheaper. What I did was I bought a piece of velour. This was actually 5 foot, came out to here or so, and I already made one of these. Cut it in 15-inch sections. What you're going to do is you're going to cut it then from there you're gonna put this on a piece of cardboard. You need a cush behind this. I pre-bent that because without the cush, you're not going to get as much shading here on a hard surface. It just doesn't work right with a golf club. You're going to need a little cush, and not to mention a little pad for your golf club. You don't want to be, if you're out on the concrete. Here I'm on a tile floor. It's going to strike it pretty hard. You're going to get a lot of sore wrist and whatnot without having a little bit of a soft padding, just like you do on any other golf mat. But you're going to want to set this on here. You're going to take, or at least I took, some newspaper and put this around here, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to peel, if you got it where you want it on the cardboard, you're going to peel this back halfway or 2/3 of the way where it belongs, okay? And you're going to take this 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. That's what I use. I had a can of it from other projects. This stuff works really well. Shake it up real good, and you're going to spray it. I'm not going to do this because I already made one. I'll show you when I'm done. But you want to put a light coat on both the velour and your cardboard, okay? And you're only going to do half of this. Put a light coat on it, and then you're going to touch it with your finger. If it sticks to your finger, it's not set up. The directions will tell you. Once it's got a slight film to it, you're going to want to hold this underneath, and you're going to want to try to roll it in. You want to roll it in, okay? You're going to roll it in and then smooth it out. Then you're going to take this other side, pull it back till it sticks, and then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to spray it, both the velour and the cardboard, spray it, and then you're going to roll this end in. Just roll it in, smooth it on down. It'll set up fairly quick. Then once you're done, you can cut your cardboard, probably fit it however you want, however neat and nice you want it. That's totally up to you. What I do is I take a area rug and I fold it. That's where the fold comes in. You can see my fold here. That's where this fold comes in. Fold it up underneath your area rug, and that'll keep it in place. Plus it'll give you some cushion. So when you hit this mat, you can see I put a little small black marker on there. And when you hit this with your club, you'll know exactly where you struck it. If you're behind the ball, If you're in front of the ball, you're going to see exactly where you struck it. The simple mat, this piece of velour might have cost me, I don't know, $2, $2.50. I had to spare adhesive, piece of cardboard, and you're in business. You can take and hit real golf balls with this on a net. If you want to go that way, hit real golf balls. Or what I do is I hit these foam balls. I hit these foam balls out in the backyard. You know, you get a good indication where you're hitting the ball, and that feedback's important. All you golfers out there, you know that feedback's important. So, real simple mat, takes a piece of cardboard, velour, and you're in business. Hope that helps. See you next time.